How to fix network sharing Windows 11 not working. Hey everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to troubleshoot and fix network sharing issues on Windows 11. Step 1. Enable network discovery and file/printer sharing. Press the Windows key plus I to open settings. Click on Network and Internet on the left. Click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet on the right, depending on your connection. Select your network properties. Ensure the network profile type is set to private. Go back to Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. Click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Under Private Networks, make sure Turn on Network Discovery and Turn on File and Printer Sharing are selected. Under All Networks, consider turning off password-protected sharing for easier access, or ensure you have the correct credentials if it's enabled. Click Save Changes. Step 2. Check Windows Firewall. Search for Windows Firewall in the Start menu and open it. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings. You might need administrator privileges. Ensure that file and printer sharing is checked for your appropriate network type, private. Click OK. Step 3. Ensure necessary services are running. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate the following services and ensure their startup type is set to automatic and their status is running. If not running, right-click and select Start. Function Discovery Provider Host, Function Discovery Resource Publication, SSDP Discovery, UPnP Device Host, DNS Client. Step 4. Check Folder Sharing Permissions. Right-click on the folder you want to share and select Properties. Go to the Sharing tab. Click Share. In the dialog box, add everyone if you want broad access or specific users. Set the permission level to read/write if you want others to be able to modify files. Click Share and then Done. Go back to the Sharing tab and click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Click Permissions and ensure everyone has at least read permissions. For full control, check all allow boxes. Click Apply and OK. Step 5. Enable SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Search for Turn Windows Features On or Off in the Start menu and open it. Scroll down and find SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Make sure the box next to it is checked. Click OK and restart your computer if prompted. Step 6. Check Network Profile. Ensure your network connection is set to private, not public. You can usually do this when you first connect to a network or by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi/Ethernet, and selecting your network. Step 7. Restart your computers. Sometimes a simple restart of both the computer sharing the files and the computer trying to access them can resolve temporary issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most network sharing problems on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.